In this video, we're going to learn about cleaning and disinfecting a surface. Cleaning a surface. Step 1. Wipe off all the visible impurities on the surface using a clean piece of cloth and dispose of them. Step 2. Use soap, water, and a clean cloth to clean the surface. Disinfecting a surface. Step 1. Apply disinfectant or surface sanitizer to the surface to be disinfected. Step 2. Use a clean, soft cloth to disinfect the surface. For additional safety, you can wear gloves.